In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel 365, and we'll also explore a smart alternative to avoid some common pitfalls that can arise when using the standard merging method. So, let's dive right in. Merging cells in Excel is quite a handy feature, especially when you want to create clear and organized data presentations. It's commonly used in tasks where labels need to span across multiple columns, like headers in tables. But before we delve into alternative methods, let's cover the standard way to do it. First, you need to select the cells you want to merge. These could be any adjacent cells that should function as a single unit. Once you have your cells selected, you'll want to navigate over to the Home tab at the top of Excel's interface. This tab is your main hub for formatting options. Next, look for the Alignment group. It's usually located in the middle area of the ribbon. Here, you'll see an option called Merge and Center. This feature not only merges selected cells, but also centers the content, making your data look clean and well organized. If you click the small arrow next to Merge and Center, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. The first option is Merge and Center. As I mentioned, this will merge all your selected cells into one and will automatically center the content, which often looks the most visually appealing. The next choice is Merge Across. This option is especially useful if you've selected a block of cells spanning multiple columns and rows. It merges cells in each row individually, but keeps the text aligned to the left, maintaining the original row structure. Finally, there's Merge Cells, which does exactly what it says, merges all the selected cells into one larger cell, but it doesn't center the text. It's a straightforward merge without any added formatting frills. Now, if you decide you want to reverse your merge, no worries. Excel makes it simple to unmerge cells. Just select the merged cell or range of cells you wish to separate. Then, head back to the drop-down next to Merge and Center and choose Unmerge Cells. Your cells will return to their original configuration. Bear in mind this crucial detail. When you merge cells, only the content from the upper left cell will remain. All other data in the merged cells will be deleted. This aspect often causes issues, so be sure to double-check which cell's content you truly want to keep before committing to a merge. And there you have it. A brief, yet thorough walkthrough on how to merge cells in Excel. Keep in mind these instructions to ensure your data is always presented as effectively as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you streamline your Excel projects.